welcome the students on online class subject physics for 12th standard. Today we have to learn the chapter number 15, structure of atoms and nuclei. In yesterday we have seen the topic, that is size of atoms. Actually, size of atom is decided by the size of orbits. If electrons are present in orbit, large number of electrons are present, then the orbit is more orbit will be there. This decides the size of nucleus. So size of atom decides size of nucleus, but different atoms does not have same size. Different atoms does not have same size. So number of nucleons which is present in atom, that is number of protons and number of neutrons. So let we consider capital A as mass number, atomic mass number, and Rx. We know that if X is element, then Rx is radius of element. So experimentally we can observe that Rx is equal to R0 a raised to 1 by 3. R0 a raised to 1 by 3, where R0, it has value 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter, or it is 1.2 femtometer. If this value can be substituted, then we can find out the radius of the element. But we know that if rho is density inside the nucleus, we know that the formula for density, it will be mass upon volume, called density. Nucleus is spherical in shape, so that its volume will be 4 upon 3 pi Rx cube. But capital M, that is mass of atom. This mass of atom will be mass into atomic number, atomic mass number. So if we can substitute the value of Rx, here rho is equal to m into capital A upon 4 upon 3 pi in bracket R0 a raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 3. So if we can solve this equation, then you get the value. The value will be, value of density will be rho equal to m capital A upon 4 upon 3 pi R0 cube in bracket a raised to 1 upon 3 cube. What happened? 3 get cancelled. Here this 3 is shifted in numerator, so we can written as 3 m into capital A upon 4 pi r0 cube A. What happened? A will be cancelled. And so, using this formula, we can calculate the density of atom. We can calculate density of atom. We know that m is mass, r0 is constant, and pi having also constant. So if we know m, pi and r0, we can calculate density. Means mass number is absent, mass number is not present, so that density of atom does not depend on mass number, means capital A. It depends on mass and R0. So we can find out the value for density. So here if carbon atom, we know that its mass, it will be 3 into 1.660 into 10 to the power minus 27. And upon 4 into 3.142 into 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 raised to 3. If we can solve it, what happened? See here, again the value will be 3 into 1.660 into 10 to the power minus 27 upon 4 into 3.142 into 1.3 and its cube. We can write as 3 times 1.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by. Here 10 raised to 15 is there and 3 means 10 raised to minus 45 in denominator. If we can shift the value in numerator, then density will be 3 into 1.660 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 10 to the power plus 45 upon 4 into 3.142 into 1.2 into 1.2 into 1. Using logarithmic table, we can solve the problems. Here, numerator has the two values. So its characteristics will be 0 point and 0 point. So here, if we can see in logarithm, then we say that logarithm of 30, it will be 4771. Logarithm of 16 in 6, it will be 0.2201. So here addition will be 27960 point. But here in denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 values are there. So their characteristics will be 0 point, 0 point, 0 point, 0 point, 0 point. So what happens? Its logarithm will be, for 40, its logarithm will be 6021. So here the logarithm will be 4972. So here 1.2, its logarithm will be 0792. 3 times we can written as 0792, 0792, 2222, 8, 1, 9. 9, 9, 9, 27, 34, 36, 3 is there, 7, 7, 7, 31, 21, 24, and 9, 33, and here 13, and here 1 point. So if we can subtract 1.3369, what happened? From 12, 9 is subtract, 3 is remaining. 7 is subtract from 7, 0 is remaining. 3 is subtract from 9, 6 is remaining. 3 is subtract from 6, 3 is remaining. Here, minus 1 is subtract from 0, that is minus 1 or bar 1. So if we can take its antilog, then it will be rho is equal to 2.3. Rho is equal to 2.330 into 10 to the power. What happened? 45, 27, that is 18 into 10 to the power minus 1. Here minus 1 is there. If we can subtract, so rho is equal to 2.33 into 10 to the power 7 kilogram per meter cube, or kilogram meter raised to minus 3. So here that will be the constant value, which is extremely large, because its value will be 2.33 into 10 to the power 17. So if this value is extremely large, then we want to find, then among all of known elements, osmium having highest density, which is 2.2 into 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 kg per meter cube. Here 10 to the power 17 and 10 to the power 4 means 10 to the power 13, it will be smaller order in magnitude. In magnitude, it will be smaller for osmium. So we want to find out radius and density of germanium, whose mass number is 70. Atomic mass number is 70, and its mass approximately will be 69.244. We can solve a numerical, a problem. See here, if we can solve a problem for finding out germanium, its radius and its density having atomic mass number, it will be 69, or atomic mass will be 69.24 atomic mass unit U. So we know that we can find out data. A having value 70, mass is equal to 69.24 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So we can find out radius of germanium. We can find out density of germanium. And we know the constant value R, that is 1 R0, 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Using these values, we can find such that using formula. So R germanium is equal to R0 A raised to 1 by 3. A raised to 1 by 3. Substituting the values, 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 into 17 into raised to 1 by 3. If we can solve using logarithm such that 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 into 1 upon 3 log of